Hi, today I will show you how to install the Explain ACARS software for Swiss Virtual. On your intranet page, head to the Company tab and click on Downloads. On the bottom of the list, you'll find the Swiss Virtual Explain ACARS software. Click on Download. As soon as you've downloaded the Explain ACARS software, you'll need to unpack the folder. In order to unpack the folder, you'll need a WinZip or WinRAR or any other program that lets you unpack the folder within this zip file. As soon as you've unpacked the folder, open it up and you'll see two files, the Swiss Virtual Explain ACARS itself and the Explain ACARS memo. Open the Explain ACARS memo. This memo will show you all the things you'll need to do in order to get yourself ready to go and fly for Swiss Virtual. We will go through each step on this file and I'll show you how to set up the ACARS. The next thing you'll need to do is open up Explain. If you don't have a second monitor, I recommend you to open Explain in windowed mode so that you can see all the things you'll need to do while doing it. Click on Settings in Explain and head to the Data Output tab. On the Data Output tab, we will set different values. It's important that you follow all these instructions in order to have the Explain ACARS working correctly. Set graph rate to 20 packets per second. Set UDP rate to 20 packets per second. Set the disk rate to 20 writes per second. Check the box Send Network Data Output right here and enter the IP address 127.0.0.1. Enter the port 2587. On the left, you'll see a list of different values. We will need to check certain values in order for the ACARS to know what's happening in our simulator. You'll see which values need to be checked on the Explain ACARS memo. The values are as follows: 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, 17, 20, 41, 62, 66, and 106. In the left column, you'll see the numbers. To highlight a row, click on it once. You only need to check the boxes below Network via UDP. For example, if you would like to check the box 20, head to 20 and check it right here. As soon as you've checked all these numbers on the Network via UDP row, you are done with setting up the Swiss Virtual ACARS within Explain. You can click on Done and exit Explain. The next thing you'll need to do is download Java. In the Explain memo, we have a link that brings you right to the page where you can download the Java for the Swiss Virtual ACARS. Click on here and download the Java software via this link right here. The installation is self-explanatory, and as soon as you've installed Java, please make sure that the Swiss Virtual ACARS software is set to be run by default with Java. To do this, right-click on Swiss Virtual ACARS, open with, choose another app, and select Java Platform SE Binary. As soon as you've selected this, the icon should change to a Java icon. If you want to record a flight, double-click on the Swiss Virtual ACARS, enter your 34LC and your password, and now you will see this page. You will see that there is a simulator connection indication and a network connection indication. In order for your flight to be correctly recorded, both need to be connected. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your flight ID. You can find your flight ID on your FlyPad as soon as you've booked a flight. We have another video on how to book a flight and get started. On the FlyPad, you'll need to copy and paste this flight ID right here into your Explain ACARS. As soon as you've done that, click on Start, and the ACARS will ask you if you want to fly this exact flight. You can verify this right here. In this case, it would be Swiss 8267. Swiss 8267 from Ibiza to Zurich. If it's correct, click Yes. The ACARS will connect to the simulator and the network. Since Explain is still open in my case, the connection has been established to both. If this looks like this, you're ready to go. Don't hesitate to ask any of our staff members if you have difficulties, and check out our Get Started playlist on YouTube. Thanks for watching.